Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up TradingView Screener, updated. Open TradingView, click Screener, choose your market and time frame, then create a new filter using indicators, price, volume, and performance criteria. Name and save the filter, then enable alerts to catch new matches. Test the screener on historical data before relying on live alerts. I will guide you through customizing columns, sorting results, and sharing your setup. Use filters to narrow candidates by market cap, price, volume, and performance, and start simple. Add moving average crossovers and RSI thresholds, then layer MACD or stochastic for confirmation and reduce false signals. Adjust time frame alignment and set a minimum volume to avoid illiquid picks. Save distinct screeners for day trading versus swing trading and label them clearly so you can switch quickly between strategies and compare results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more updates. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and fit nicely in backpacks for trading sessions so you don't spill snacks during long analysis. They're perfect for portable lunches and saving time between scans. I only recommend things I use myself. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Customize columns to show price, change, volume, and custom indicators so you can scan at a glance. Use color coding and conditional formatting to spotlight breakouts and divergence setups, and order columns by your priority. Set alerts on indicator crossovers, price levels, or screener matches, and pick webhook or email delivery to integrate with your workflow. Test alerts with simulated trades and verify frequency to reduce noise and false positives.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.